Today, I'm going to show you how to make some delicious roast beet, or beetroot as we call it here in the UK. You can use it as a side dish, or you can let it cool down and use it as part of a beetroot salad. You might think it's difficult to make beetroot taste so delicious, but I'm going to show you the easiest, most simple way to do it, and you really don't need any fancy ingredients. We're going to take fresh beetroot, we're going to also take sea salt and the tiniest dash of oil. We're going to roast it to bring out that natural, beautiful, deep flavour. Hi, I'm Anastasia Eden. I have been vegan for 27 years. I'm a plant-based retreat chef here in the UK, and my mission is to make your life easier in the kitchen with delicious, easy to make, plant-based and gluten-free food. If you like what you see here, please do subscribe and give it a thumbs up. But now let's go take a quick peek and see how easy it is to make roast beet. First thing, contrary to popular belief, absolutely no need whatsoever to peel your beet skin. Just wash it, top and tail them, and dry with a paper towel. And then you're going to chop them into 1/2-inch cubes and toss onto a large baking tray. Then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then you're going to add about a teaspoon of sea salt, depending on how much beetroot you're using. I'm using 900 grams, which is about 3 really large ball-sized beetroots. And mix everything in until all the beets are evenly coated. Then I'm going to put it into a preheated oven at 190 degrees, which is 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And if you're using a hotter oven because you're baking something else, or a slightly cooler oven, that's fine too. But at about 190 degrees, you're going to let it roast for about 45 minutes. It should be cooked by then. Take it out and then either serve as a side dish immediately or let it cool down and use it to jazz up your salad. It couldn't be easier. Thank you so much for tuning in. I do hope that you enjoyed this recipe. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.